Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a factory built glider kit 2015 Pete to show you today. 389, pre-emission 12.7 Detroit, 10 speed, 492 total on the clock, at about 100,000 miles on an out-of-frame overhaul. I've gotten it hot, going to show you the blow-by, walk around, finish up with the inside. Let's go ahead and get started. Body and paint on this one's in really good shape. Fender's in great shape. No cracking, nothing, no damage on the corners. The only thing that I've seen on the paint side, you got one little blemish right up on the top. It is a Southern truck as well. You don't have any rust. You do have a wet kit. Got some dings on this back, on the side corners there. Nothing in the main part, but just on the corners. Just some rock dings there. Excellent rubber all the way around. All aluminum wheels. Air slide fifth wheel, and with it being blockable as well. Brakes too. Platinum interior. It's clean in the back. This one still got the plastic in the rear there. There's your miles and hours. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got any questions, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.